Bro, that's what ADHD is? I fucking have that. You're going to jail. You deserve jail time. And who gonna judge me? Judge your mom.
Hey, I'm that bitch. Pretty ass face with them lips. I got them lips, yeah. I got them hips. Curvy look, bitch, I got them well.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Leondranicole. If you are new here, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new here, welcome back, babes. So today is another start of a new vlog. And we got some errands to run. It is December 18th, the week of Christmas. And we gotta get cute, so well, cuter, because your girl is already cute. Anywho, so today is Monday, start of my week. You already know. If you're not new here, you already know it's the start of my week. And I need to run a couple of errands, so we're gonna go over the to-do list. Let me grab my phone. So at work, one of my really good friends from work, also I went to high school with him. Hey, White. I'm doing like I'm cooking for him or whatever because his last day at work is Thursday. Him leaving, and I'm really sad. Like, that's one of my good friends at work and one of my only friends at work. I have, like, obviously B is my friend from work and she's also my friend. Love you, B. But White and Peters, those are my only friends. My only genuine friends from work. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm going to be cooking for his little farewell brunch or whatever, like a send off or whatever, wishing him well on his new adventure, a new chapter in his life. The menu for brunch is red velvet waffles, chicken wings, I'm gonna do shrimp and grits, eggs, and B is in charge of chicken wings and eggs, and I'm gonna be doing the waffles and the shrimp and grits. So yeah, I'm gonna go be shopping for that. Also need to buy hair because I have a hair appointment tomorrow. I really wanted to go get my eyebrows waxed. I may or may not, because the style that I'm doing, my brows are gonna be covered, so I don't know. I just filled them in and concealed them today, but y'all don't know that these y'all can't even see because the lighting. Let me see. Y'all can't see it. But anyway, they need to be maintenance. So I really should be trying to do that. Also, I need to take back a couple of things y'all seen from my last fashion haul. I need to send off those clothes that could not fit me. I need to send them back and, you know, repurchase them. Also, those pants that y'all seen in the second look. I love those pants, and I'm trying to send them back though because I want them to fit a little looser in the thigh area, and I'm just gonna get them altered on my waist so they can fit my waist. Other than that, that's pretty much all I want to do today. I want to get some food as well and then come back home and play my Sims. So that is my to-do list for today, and we're gonna get it cracking because it's already 3 o'clock. And the traffic, I mean, how everything's in the vicinity of my house. So yeah, so when I come back, I'm probably gonna do a sit down, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go. So guys, I made it to the hair store or whatever, but I can't bring out in with me because it'd be too much and I need to focus. So I'm gonna update you guys when I get back in the car from inside of the I'm about to say the grocery store. It is the hair grocery store though, but yeah, update y'all when I get back. Hey Bookie Boos. So I made it. Well, I just left the post office. I just dropped off my package. I'm gonna just do a haul when I get home of what I got from the hair store, and then also what I got from Publix. I haven't been inside Publix yet, but I'm right now at the Dollar Tree. Like I said, I dropped off the stuff to the post office. Glad I did that because yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to walk inside of there. Now, hopefully it's not packed, y'all. Y'all be knowing Dollar Tree be way more busy than a goddamn Walmart. And if you know about Walmart, you know Walmart be around the corner up your ass. So, okay, let's go. Hey y'all, I am back home. I am holding you in this big acky ass bone. I don't know why my daddy bought him this bone. Like, is this even a bone? It is, but it has like bone marrow in the middle. I don't know, but it's really hard on this towel. Like, I can bash somebody in the head with this shit. Anywho, I'm back home. It is like 6 something. I did pretty good because I left at like 3. So yeah, it's 6:22. So I did pretty good. Left at 3. I wouldn't been back home. I made like a couple of pointless stops, but whatever. It's what it is. So left the hair store, went to drop off the packages to the post office. Then I went to Publix, got my stuff for the brunch that I'm doing, and then I went to Pollo Tropical to grab me something to eat. So yeah, let's do a little haul of what I got today. I'm gonna set y'all up. Hold up. Okay. Get your stinky butt down. Oh my gosh. Look. Look at the camera. Don't want to look at the camera, mama big old fluffy boy. Mama big old fluffy boy. Mama big old fluffy boy. He just loving it. Him loves when his mama rub on him and scratch him neck and scratch him belly and scratch him. Who you think it is? He just be chilling. Okay, get down. Don't lick me. Get down. No more kisses. He just finished eating. His mouth is so wet from the water and all that. Papa boy. Anyways, let's get into it. Get down. 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 Good boy. Okay, so I hope you guys are familiar with Sensual Gold, because I did not feel, okay, so let's just talk about it. Usually I'm a bundle girl, like I'll go and get some Brazilian bundles or whatever, but hold on, wait, don't want nothing to fall. But I did not feel like driving way on the other side of town for some bundles. Like, it just was not giving that. I feel like I would have been home at like 7 if I would have did that. Like, traffic way across town just wasn't giving that today. I wanted to stay in my area, so I went to the regular good old beauty supply hair store and got me some pack hair. But and who gonna judge me? Judge your mom. Anywho, I got the good old Sensual Gold, which this is some pretty decent hair. I was gonna get a 20-inch, and that 20-inch is pretty long and pretty lengthy, but it was $98 a pack, and I'm just like, girl, you still trying to go party on Christmas? You still gotta get your day of Christmas scale. You still gotta pay to get the hair done. Like, I'm not doing that. $100 a freaking pack, not doing it. So anyways, this was $60 a pack, but whatever, right? Okay, I got 3 of these bad boys, and I wasn't sure of just how long it was gonna be on me. I should have took it out, but I just was measuring it up. Like, long as it's down my back, that's all that really matters to me, because it's not giving a little girl. Never gave that. So this is Sensual is some good hair. Like, Sensual is really some good hair. So yeah, while I'm sitting down, this is coming right here. This is good. It's an 18-inch, so it's fine. Now let's see. Sitting down in the back. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool or whatever. Yeah, that's fine, because I literally just wanted to hang down my back. So put this back in. But anywho, yeah, I got 3 packs of those in a cap. and that came out to like $196 or $190 something. $200. Being a girl is freaking expensive, and it's like, I'm just a girl. Why can't my dad still pay to get my hair done? Why can't a boy that likes me pay to get my hair done? If you're a boy and you like me, why can't pay to get my hair done? Why you can't pay to get my hair done, Coda? When you gonna start making us some money? That's the better question. When are you gonna start making us some money? You big and cute and fluffy. Did you just snap at me? Let's get into the Publix haul, which I feel like y'all don't even really need to see that haul, but whatever. Let's just go see what I got. Come on, Papa, get down. So because of the fact that I went to 2 different places, I'm just gonna combine them all, which y'all know I went to Dollar Tree and I also went to Publix. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Dollar Tree first, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Publix. I'm kind of debating if I want to do a food, like what's the word I'm looking for, like a little cooking montage or whatever with it, because I'm gonna be doing it before work, and I have to do work at 3, and it's like editing, like not editing, filming like a cooking video is very tedious. You know, you have to move the camera so many different times to capture different angles and stuff like that. So I don't know, maybe not, but yeah, let's get into the little haul. Baby, if you don't take your butt to Dollar Tree and get you some of these, like, what are you doing? These aluminum pans, serving pans with the lids. I'm missing the other lid, but whatever. I bought aluminum foil just because of that reason. Yeah, so I got 2 of these. One, which this one will be for the grits, and then I got this one for the shrimp topping stuff. I brought that for the shrimp, right? Also from Dollar Tree, I got this little, y'all see it good? There it goes. I got this little container thing. I thought it was so stinking cute. I got some canola non-stick cooking spray, food coloring. Moving right along to my Publix haul. We're gonna start off with the proteins of the pack. So I got, whoa, y'all, I almost dropped this fucking mint scarlet. Anyways, my anxiety. So I got this. Got turkey smoked sausage, bananas. I got French vanilla, banana cream, vanilla extract, big thing of grits. I'm gonna be cheating, okay? I'm sorry. Cake mix, okay? If you don't know, now you know. This is a cheat sheet, okay? And some syrup, sharp cheddar. Who eats grits without cheese? If you do, you're going to jail. You deserve jail time. I got a jar of mint scarlet. My favorite ice cream at the moment. I am obsessed with this Ben & Jerry everything but the ice cream, okay? It has chocolate and vanilla ice cream with peanut butter cups, fudge covered toffee pieces, white chocolatey chunks, and fudge covered almonds. Y'all, it's so good. This is my third one in a span of 2 months. Got some Cajun seasoning, some heavy whipping cream because you're gonna need her, 2 of Chessman cookies. I got some potatoes. I don't know if anyone else does this, like when you have a meeting, when you have to talk to your boo about something important, when you have to talk to your friends about something important. When there is something super important, do you guys make talking points about it? Like, to stay on topic? Like, y'all should see how you just looked at me. It was so funny. It was one of those, like, I was a couple of months ago, years old, when I discovered that I may have ADHD. Like, I cannot stay on topic to save my life. I cannot finish a story to save my life. It's really bad. It's really bad. Like, earlier today, I'm over here thinking of I'm in a hair store and the lady is helping me get my hair, right? So I opened, like, the purpose of me going into my phone was for me to check to see what brand hair she said that I should use. I go to Instagram and I just start scrolling on my Instagram. And the lady's standing there. I'm like, what the fuck am I? I'm like, literally, like, she's standing there and I'm scrolling. I'm like, what I'm supposed to be doing? What I'm supposed to be doing? I can't think of what I'm supposed to be doing. And then I'm like, oh my God, this is cute. Oh my God, this is cute. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Then I go to the lady page and I finally do what I'm supposed to be doing. Like, I don't know what it is. My brain, like, when I tell stories and stuff like that, they be like, when I tell certain people stories, they're like, oh, your stories are always so fucking long. Like, I try my best to get to the point. I feel like there's no point in, like, skipping ahead. I have to tell the story a certain way because my brain is going to be talking about things that don't fucking matter. Like simple tasks like cleaning is difficult. It's not that it's difficult, but it may take the average person 30 to maybe 45 minutes if you're cleaning for real, to clean. For me, it takes me like an hour, sometimes 30. So when I clean up in a quick manner, I'm always so happy because that means I stay focused. I was doing what I was supposed to do, and I literally have to organize my life because I be feeling like the ADHD fucks with it. Like if I'm gonna I have to schedule out my day. Like, I literally have to, because my brain, I'm gonna be doing 1,200 things when I really only need to do 10. Like, I'm gonna be walking past a nail clipper and be like, oh, I need to clip my toenails. Clip my toenails, put the nail clipper up, and as I put the nail clipper up, I find a lipstick that I haven't seen in a long time. Now I'm gonna be wanting to see what the color look like on myself, and then I'm not gonna like it, and then I'm gonna wipe it off, and then I'm gonna continue to clean up. In my mind, I think that's normal, but it's not, because I do that with every fucking single thing. And then I'm gonna stop and be like, I came in here for what? Oh, I came here for bleach. Let me get the bleach. And then now it's taking me like, it's like ADHD is a motherfucker. Okay, so I felt like I should have just said that. I wanted to make that disclaimer because maybe in my videos it's me rambling or me trying to say certain things, and I'm telling y'all, in my brain, I'm fighting to get to the point. But it's like, this is me. Like, this is just who I am, and like, take me for who I am. Bro, that's what ADHD is. I fucking have that. Like, I literally was like, kept saying to myself, bro, what the fuck? Why can't I ever focus? Yeah, that was my haul, and thank you guys for listening to me ramble about my little ADHD, self-diagnosed little situation. I just feel like I needed to let y'all know. But yeah, I'm gonna put this up, and then I'm gonna be doing what I need to do in the back end and be prepping myself for my sit down. I don't know if I should add the sit down in this video. Nope, it's gonna be a separate video. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, so I am back. It's a little bit later. It's like 8 o'clock. Before I get ready to do my sit down video, I'm gonna go get some wine and come back and just have a little girl chat with y'all. I have not finished writing down my talking points yet, but I need to. I just got in a little bit of a funk, and I'm gonna tell y'all why in my sit down. So please check out my sit down video, which will be uploaded maybe 2 videos after this. I'm not sure, but just stick around for my girl chat